Chuck, are you playing with fire?
Fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Fire! Fire!
That's funny. All right. Chuck goes with fire.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Perfect.
There we go. Look at that. We got to move a bunch of stuff here. This.
Right. This needs to come off. Anybody? Gotta open the trunk. Coming up. Fire! Fire!
Hang on.
Passing the torch.
Ooh, that's hot.
It's hot?
Hot.
It's a little hot, huh? So, just let it hold the torch while we're hammering. Dance. Andre! Glenn!
So what was proud to what? This was hot. That was hot.
Flap wheel. That's good for doing the weld. That's the whole what we got that out for. So that's for like doing back here.
See that?
Oh look, Chuck needs it. Perfect timing. Yeah, that's gonna be good for getting these worked out.
Working.
Yeah, you gotta plug that into electricity.
Not working. You know, it's been so long since I've seen this. I got it. I gave it to someone. Oh God. Where are those?
Where's that power strip?
I gave it to someone.
Who had the power strip?
I don't know.
I saw you always walk out with it. Oh, we need that. We gotta get some power to Chuck, boys. Chris, can you plug into the power strip and then give Chuck a cord real quick? There you go.
Is it in the power strip?
Yes,
Really?
the power strip's over there.
Oh.
Wow. Look at how much better that is.
burns a lot more than getting other things to dry.
Yes. Look at that. Damn, Sherman. I think you've done this shit before.
Whoa, here though. But it's close. Okay, that goes back to top.
Oh. You want to start on the getting that kind of smooth? You gotta pull that down and then you can got a little safety. All right.
And if you feel this is no longer flat.
That's got some funk to it.
It might have been.
Sure, listen. I mean, I just went over it.
Old lady rubbed while
I didn't
parking.
go over it.
Yeah, I guess that's old lady rub because there's a bunch of crap here too. Who's filling? Yeah. So this normally happens. We find the ugly
As we go on.
I saw that. I'm like, I don't remember it being that ripply.
Yeah, because I had only done it once. I go back and forth.
Woo! The gang's all here tonight. This place is jumping. There you go. Just focus on the weld. You're doing good. Aim for the weld.
My thought was if
Yeah, you're doing good.
you get where the glass is in this
Pull
hole,
that thing back. It's warm. It's a little warm.
What would Reba say about this?
I don't know if Reba's probably down here doing it.
She
She probably has something to say.
probably wrote a song about this.
Randy. I don't know.